Welcome to RCT's Play Services.
Playing is how kids like me have fun and learn about the world.
When we play, we learn about ourselves, how to be friends, and how everything works.
Playing helps us get stronger, make friends, think better and feel happy.
There are play sessions that last about 2 hours every day.
These play sessions happen in a lot of places in the community. We get to play without our parents staying with us.
We can choose what games we want to play and who we want to play with.
There's so many fun things to do, like building dens, dressing up, face painting, football, rounders, water slides and loads more.
We can move around and come and go when we want, unless it's about being safe.
Any kid aged 5 to 14 can come and play.
Plus, it's totally free.
Before your first time, a grown-up needs to fill in your form.
You can do it when you arrive on your first day.
It's a good idea to call the play people first if you need something special.
That way they can make sure you have the best time ever.
There are timetables for term time and holidays.
You can find them on RCT Family's website or on Facebook.
Look for the little pictures on the timetable. They tell you if there's a ramp for wheelchairs, toilets for disabled people, parking, buses nearby, and how noisy it is.
One is super quiet. This helps you pick the best place for you.
If you want to know more, ask the Family Information Service. Call 0800 180 4151 or 0300 111 4151 or email fis@rctcbc.gov.uk or go to rctfamilies.co.uk.